Does Hisense Smart TV 32-inch have Bluetooth? Hisense 32-inch smart TVs vary in features depending on the model, and not all of them come with built-in Bluetooth. Some models support Bluetooth for connecting wireless audio devices, while others may only have wired connectivity options. It is important to check the specific model's specifications to determine if Bluetooth is included. 1. Bluetooth availability in Hisense 32-inch TVs. Not all Hisense 32-inch smart TVs come with Bluetooth. Some models are designed with Bluetooth capabilities for connecting wireless speakers, headphones, or soundbars, while others may rely on traditional wired connections. The presence of Bluetooth largely depends on the model and series. 2. How to check if your Hisense TV has Bluetooth. To confirm whether a Hisense 32-inch smart TV has Bluetooth, you can check the TV specifications in the user manual or on the manufacturer's website. Navigate to the TV settings menu and look for Bluetooth options. Try pairing a Bluetooth device through the TV's connectivity settings. Third, alternative ways to connect Bluetooth devices. If a Hisense 32-inch smart TV does not have built-in Bluetooth, there are alternative solutions. Use a Bluetooth transmitter that connects to the TV's audio output. Connect wireless devices through a compatible sound system that supports Bluetooth. Use the Hisense Remote Now app, if supported, to control the TV via a smartphone. 4. Other connectivity features of Hisense 32-inch smart TVs. Even if Bluetooth is not available, most Hisense 32-inch smart TVs include Wi-Fi connectivity for streaming online content, HDMI and USB ports for external device connections, screen mirroring or casting options for mobile devices, 3.5mm audio jack or optical port for external speakers. 5. Choosing the right Hisense TV with Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is essential, consider looking for Hisense Android TV or Roku TV models, as they are more likely to include Bluetooth features. Checking product details before purchasing ensures you get the right TV that meets your connectivity needs. Hisense offers a range of 32-inch smart TVs, some with Bluetooth and others without. It is always best to check the model specifications before buying or use alternative methods like Bluetooth transmitters to connect wireless devices if needed.